In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make elderflower cordial using beautiful fresh elderflowers that you can pick in May and June from the hedgerows around Ireland. I'm Fiona, welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. These are elderflowers. They grow in a short period during May and June and they grow on the hedgerows all around Ireland. To identify them, they have 5 little leaflets on the one stem, and then they've got all these little white flowers, and they have quite a distinctive smell. It is a little bit almost like a body odor smell, but it's quite a distinctive smell. So what you would do is pick them. For one batch I'd pick about 50 heads. You don't need to worry too much about the exact amount. Then I would tend to tap it on a table. Usually I do this out in the garden just to get rid of any insects. The other tip for picking them is to make sure that you pick them not less, so at least 2 days after the rain. So if it rains today, wait another 2 days before you pick it. That way the nectar and the pollen will be much better on it. So we've picked it after the rain, we've tapped it, we've got rid of the few little insects, and then we have our, say, 50 heads or so of the elderflower ready to go. This cordial, so it's a very high sugar content. You only use a tiny amount and then you dilute it with a sparkling water, or I put it into water, kefir, etc. It will keep for the best part of a year. It's really, really nice over fruit salad, over so many different things. And I use a little bit of citric acid, which you will get in a chemist or pharmacy, that helps to preserve it. So for the one batch, I've got the 2 kilograms of sugar. I've got 1.2 litres of water. So you're going to stir the sugar into the water and pop it onto the heat and let it slowly dissolve. Then you're going to add in some lemons. So these are unwaxed lemons. So first of all, I'm going to peel them. And then we're going to slice them. Don't worry about the pips, it's all going to be strained out later. So when your sugar and water have dissolved, you're going to add in your 75 grams of your citric acid, and you're going to add in your lemon zest. Then we're going to pour it all into a big container. I like to use a pot. It doesn't go back on the heat though. So I would use a pot like this. So in here I have the elderflower, the syrup, the lemons, the lemon zest and the citric acid. But to hold it all down for the 24 to 48 hours, I just had a plate on it to keep it all in underneath the liquid. So this has been here for nearly 48 hours and now it's ready to strain. Now I'm going to strain the elderflower cordial. So I have J-cloths here, some brand new J-cloths in a colander, and pour it all in. Then we're going to do a second strain. So we strain the last of the cordial through the strainer. I think that's pretty clear, so it's ready to go into the bottle, but I will strain it one more time as I'm putting it into the bottle. So To put it into these nice pop top bottles, you need to sterilize it in the oven. So you remove the clip top, pop it into the oven for at 170 degrees for 15 minutes, and then you have your bottle sterilized. Then I have a little funnel to help with it. I'm just going to pop another cloth on. So there we have our first bottle of the Elderflower Cordial. I would simply seal it up, label it, and then I just keep that in a cupboard for the year, or the best part of the year, and then I store it in the fridge. Once you open the bottle, store it in the fridge, and then have it as a beautiful refreshing drink, or adding it into the water kefir in the second ferment. Thanks for watching today's video on how to make elderflower cordial. Please like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos like how to make kefir ice pops or a meal like omelette 3 different ways. Thanks for watching. See you soon.